All right, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Let's take a tour of the vintage B3 Oregon Incorporated Restoration Building on trade. All right. So you can see here how I have things set up. Got my Scholastic banners, Aggie Pride on the walls. That's the front entrance there. Alpha Phi Alpha 06. A5. Got on some light here. Mizzou. Okay, and what do we have? This is a Leslie. This is my travel Leslie. It's a Leslie 45. I'm getting ready to open that up in just a moment and go over my Leslie 145. So that's what's in that case. My pedals and accessories. The interface kit 1147 is in that case. Then of course I have organs. This is a B3. I got a Syncor capacitor analyzer there. Air mover, air conditioner right there. Another B3 sitting right here. A102 right there. That's a late model, like 68 to 74 C3 right there. A122 over here. And a late model 70 to 74 Hammond B3 right over here. That one's ready to go. That one's ready to go. Ready to play, ready to go into your church right now. And this is a Leslie 145 cabinet, and that I have to build. I'm gonna let my son Arrington install the parts into his brand new Recon woofer C15 L to go in there. Anyway, that's so that's that. And then I got some other stuff going on here. Let's see. Let me in fact, let me find my ladder. Cause some of you wondering what's that up above? Yeah, I got storage. So I got a storage area up here. So as you can see, in that box back there's a organ bench. I think there's a A100 organ bench in that box. It's a B3 bench, B3, couple B3 benches. That's A122 bench over there. Okay. So this is storage space up here. Hammond organ keys. Got my ladder. Werner. They're the official ladder for the NCAA. They built that stand on that Werner ladder to be able to allow the players and the coach to cut down the net at the ACC championship. Okay. So that's my storage. That's some good space to be able to put extra items here. Okay. So that's it. And of course, the refrigerator. You know, you always have to go and see what's in the refrigerator. Yeah, got some juice in there, some Sunny D. That's grapefruit juice and Sunny D. And bottles of water. There's a little lemonade in there. But mostly Dasani water. So I'm good to go with some refreshments. Let me open my blinds. My wife was so kind to come and to hang the blinds for me. And my son Arrington helped me with my trimming and with my paneling. So he and I did that together, of course. We used that insulation, that good thick insulation in there. We didn't mess around with cheap stuff. We used that good quality insulation in here. And that's what I did. Sprayed that insulation down with some Home Defense. Yeah, before I put the paneling on. So any bugs try to get behind there, they die. Anything want to try to come up in here that ain't supposed to be in here, I don't want them to stay. And you see my academics, my scholastic banners here. Aggie Pride, North Carolina A&T State University. That was my university. That's where I graduated. University of North Carolina, Greensboro. Took some math there and some art in summer school when I first started first started college, actually when I graduated from high school. And they had already started classes at A&T, so they had a new session going, so Dad took me over there to UNCG. Got that going. You see, UNCG used to be green and gold. They done changed the color now to, look, blue and gold. What's that about? Some people have been talking about the University of North Carolina East Campus, University of North Carolina West Campus, University of North Carolina Greensboro East and West Campus. I don't know about, but anyway, you see UNCG done changed their color to blue and gold. SIU, Southern Illinois University at Carbon. That's where I got my master's, my PhD in psychology, and over here in counseling psychology, my major with a minor in organization administration. St. Louis University, did 2 postdoc fellowships, clinical neuropsychology and clinical behavioral medicine, chronic pain management, psychophysiologic disorder, chronic headache treatment, management, evaluation, diagnosis. Went there, St. Louis University, and University of Northern Colorado. Went to summer school there where I studied neuropsychology. University of Central Missouri, where I've been employed for the past 30 years. And since 31 years now, 31 years this year. Obtained a postdoctoral master's in occupational safety management. Texas Tech University. Here we are. Red Raiders, go Red Raiders. You know, we were just in the NCAA championship. We lost that, but I'm telling you, our boy got hurt. But Texas Tech, I did my internship in professional psychology right there at Texas Tech. And of course, the Aggies, A&T, Illinois. I lived in the state of Illinois, visited that campus, beautiful campus. University of Illinois, many times been at University of Missouri. Didn't go to school at these places, but visited the campuses. Been there many times, Mizzou, for wrestling, state wrestling. So, hey, that's the way that goes. And I love the black and the gold, of course, because he's here. Mizzou, A Phi A, Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. So, you know, that's all good. Anyway, that's my my tour of Vintage B3 Oregon. And got my little lamp over there. Got some lights, some hanging lights. Hung all this stuff myself. Me and my son bought these lamps. You know, my wife and I like to go shopping at the Goodwills and those kind of places, and I was picking up these lights, picking up another light, and the question was asked, why you getting another light? Hey, I use these things, and here they are right here, coming in perfectly handy. So using them as they meant, were designed to be used. Okay. All right, so that's it. And I'm here, right? Where am I? I'm right here. Right here. Okay. Okay, Dr. Kemp here. The Hammond Doc, having a good time. Getting the shop ready. My building ready to work. Because I got stuff I got to do. I'm going to be rebuilding some organs this summer. But my first project is to get this ready for a convention. Because I got my XK2 out of storage yesterday. And this is what I hooked my XK2 to play it. So I'll play it through. So got to get this ready. All right, until the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out, peaceful and wonderful day. Peace out.